welcome to 20 Mariposa Avenue, located in downtown Los Gatos.
This fabulous property has a wonderful open floor plan and a resort-style rear yard with a pool, spa, outdoor fireplace, and built-in barbecue.
The main house enjoys approximately 2,350 square feet with 4 bedrooms and 3.5 bathrooms. There's also a wonderful guest house of approximately 400 square feet with a full kitchen and full bath.
Enjoy the tour. This property has so many wonderful upgrades and beautiful finishes. It's the perfect balance between sophistication and comfort.
Enjoy hours in your own personal sanctuary, yet so close to the hustle and bustle of downtown Los Gatos. Plus, enjoy easy access to local neighborhood parks, and of course, the top Los Gatos schools.
We look forward to scheduling a private showing.
Until next time.